everybody, welcome to Ankara Nation Online Training. My name is Lizzie. On this channel, I'll be teaching you how to make Ankara accessories. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. Today, we are in the making of Ankara Pendants. These are the materials I will be using. Ankara material, gum stay, we also call it wagon, paper fiber, candle wax, gum. First, you draw out a shape, any shape that you like. Here I want to use a heart shape. You draw it out, you take your pen, you draw out a shape on your paper fiber and cut it out like this. This is the one I've already cut out. You cut it out in two sizes, cut it out. This is the other one, make it two. Then you place it on your gum stay and draw the same shape out and cut it. When you draw it out, you cut it. This is one I've already cut out. Cut it out. They should be of the same size. When you place them on their self, they should be the same thing, like this. Be the same thing. Then what we'll be doing next, you pick your heart shape, place it on your material also, draw it out. But when you want to cut it out in excess, like this one I've already cut out. Look at it. Cut it out in excess because we'll be folding it in. So you cut it out in excess. Now let's fold. You pick your gum, your UHU gum, add it to your paper fiber. After adding your gum, pick your material like this and place it on your heart shape. You place it on it. Use your hand to smoothen it so that you don't have rough edges. Use your hand to smoothen it like this. Then, after gumming your material on this other side, turn it. This is what it will look like. Then you fold these edges inside. You add your gum to the edge of the paper fiber. Add your gum and fold in your material. You start gumming like this. Gum the excess. This is how it will look like when you've wrapped it with your material. This is how it will look like. Now, pick your gum stay. Pierce a hole here because we are making our Ankara pendant. So we want a place where our pendant will stay. Pierce a hole here. You use old chain that you are not using again. Cut it out in a small size like this. Put it inside the hole that you pierce on your gum stay. Use your scissors and push it inside. After fixing your chain in, it will come out at the other side like this. This is our pendant here. This is where our chain will stay. So now you turn the back where the chain came out from. You pick your candle wax, light it. We use it to gum it